Organizing a baby shower is an exciting and joyous occasion, marking the anticipation of a new life and surrounded by the warmth of family and friends. The planning process can be just as delightful, especially when armed with a treasure trove of creative ideas. In this article, we explore a gallery of inspiring photos to guide you through the best baby shower ideas, ensuring a memorable celebration for the parents-to-be. To embark on this journey of celebration, the first step is to choose a color scheme and theme. Whether it's a baby girl or baby boy on the way, we've got you covered with creative and undeniably adorable ideas that will set the tone for the event. Once the theme is in place, the rest of the elements seamlessly fall into harmony. From the menu to the selection of baby shower games, every detail can be tailored to match the chosen theme. Consider incorporating baby shower decorations that double as charming additions to the baby's room, such as a canvas filled with heartfelt well wishes or colorful lighting adorning shelves and walls. For an added touch of elegance, adorn the buffet with beautiful flower arrangements. These not only contribute to the festive atmosphere, but also serve as delightful take-home gifts for the parents and extended family. A serve-yourself buffet setup adds a casual and convenient element to the festivities, allowing guests to indulge in a variety of delectable treats. Capture the essence of the celebration with a DIY floral wall, creating a picturesque backdrop for memorable photos. Encourage guests to express their creativity at a onesie decoration station, providing a personalized and sentimental touch to the baby's wardrobe. In essence, a baby shower is not just a party. It's a celebration of life and the beginning of a beautiful journey for the expectant parents. With the right blend of thoughtful details, creative elements, and a sprinkle of joy, you can create a baby shower that will be etched in the hearts of all who attend. So let the planning commence, and may the anticipation of the little one's arrival be met with laughter, love, and a shower of unforgettable memories. As the day unfolds in a symphony of excitement and joy, the crescendo of oohs and ahs is reserved for a special moment: the unveiling of the super cute baby shower gifts. In the grand orchestration of the celebration, it's essential to carve out a generous space at the end, dedicated solely to the ritual of unwrapping these treasures. After all, this is the heartbeat of the occasion, a time to shower the growing family not only with tangible expressions of affection, but also with an outpouring of love that transcends the physical realm. The anticipation builds throughout the festivities, creating an atmosphere of delight that culminates in the unveiling of carefully chosen presents. These gifts, wrapped with care and adorned with bows, symbolize the shared excitement for the impending arrival of the newest family member. As the time approaches to open these packages, the room is filled with an air of anticipation and collective eagerness. The act of opening presents is not just a formality. It is a moment of connection and celebration. Each gift tells a story of thoughtfulness, consideration, and a shared journey towards parenthood. It's a chance for attendees to express their well wishes, offering not just items, but a tangible representation of their support for the family embarking on this beautiful adventure. The array of gifts itself is a kaleidoscope of joy, ranging from practical essentials to whimsical tokens that add a touch of charm to the nursery. From tiny, adorable onesies to practical diaper bags and soothing baby blankets, each item carries with it the promise of shared smiles, late-night cuddles, and the countless precious moments that await the family in their new chapter. So, as the day unfolds and laughter fills the air, let the final be a heartfelt journey into the world of baby shower gifts. Create a space where time seems to slow down, allowing everyone to savor the magic of unwrapping and sharing in the collective joy that accompanies these delightful tokens of affection. After all, in this symphony of celebration, the crescendo of gift-giving is a melody that lingers in the hearts of all, echoing the love and anticipation that defines this special day. In the realm of baby showers, where creativity takes center stage, the pink flower cake stands out as a delightful masterpiece, capturing the essence of celebration and anticipation. With its enchanting multi-hued pink floral design and perched upon a delicate light green glass cake stand. This confection transcends the realm of mere dessert. It almost doubles as a radiant centerpiece, perfectly suited for a baby girl shower. The allure of the pink flower cake lies not just in its delectable taste, but in its visual poetry. The multi-layered pink blossoms cascade down the pristine white canvas of the cake, creating a vibrant tapestry that mirrors the vibrancy of the occasion. It's a sweet symphony of hues, blending different shades of pink to evoke a sense of joy and femininity, perfectly in tune with the celebration of a little princess on the way. As if plucked from a fairy tale garden, the cake stands proudly on a light green glass pedestal, elevating its presence to that of a regal centerpiece. The stand not only provides a foundation for the confection, but also complements the floral theme, adding a touch of whimsy to the overall presentation. For those eager to recreate this culinary work of art, the recipe beckons with promises of delight. The two-tiered white velvet cake with white chocolate buttercream frosting serves as the canvas for the floral masterpiece. The velvety texture of the cake, coupled with the lusciousness of white chocolate buttercream, ensures a taste that mirrors the visual splendor. This pink flower cake, with its fusion of aesthetics and taste, transforms the baby shower into an immersive experience. It becomes more than just a dessert. It becomes a symbol of the excitement, the love, and the dreams woven into the celebration of a new life. So, as you embark on the journey of planning a baby girl shower, consider letting the pink flower cake take center stage, a sweet masterpiece that not only tantalizes taste buds, but also blossoms as a captivating focal point, embodying the spirit of the occasion in every delicate petal and creamy bite. Step into the world of baby shower elegance with a buffet-style affair that transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary. Picture a scene where an afternoon get-together is elevated to a feast for the senses, and at the heart of it all is a meticulously curated buffet-style baby shower. At the epicenter of this culinary symphony lies the concept of a pretty buffet table, designed not just for sustenance, but as an integral part of the celebration's aesthetic. The vision is simple yet captivating, where the act of serving oneself becomes a delightful experience in its own right. Imagine a table adorned with the refreshing allure of cucumber and mint lemonade, beckoning guests with its cool, invigorating promise. The vibrant green hues of the beverage create a visual oasis, setting the tone for a celebration that is both chic and inviting. This isn't just a drink. It's a libation crafted with care, a sip of freshness that complements the joyous atmosphere. Next on the tableau are the flower press shortbread cookies, perched delicately on a ruffled cake stand. Each cookie is not merely a treat for the taste buds, but a work of edible art. The intricate imprints of pressed flowers transform these cookies into small, delectable canvases, adding a touch of whimsy to the buffet spread. Placed on a pretty ruffled cake stand, these cookies become a focal point, a testament to the meticulous attention given to every detail. The brilliance of this buffet-style baby shower lies in its simplicity. The serve-yourself setup allows guests to engage with the offerings at their own pace, fostering an atmosphere of conviviality and relaxation. It's an invitation to savor, to indulge, and to appreciate the thoughtfulness woven into every element of the celebration. In essence, this buffet-style baby shower transcends the realm of mere refreshments. It becomes an experience, a visual and gustatory journey that mirrors the joy of the impending arrival. So, as you embark on the delightful task of planning a baby shower, consider embracing the buffet-style concept, a symphony of flavors and aesthetics that transforms a simple gathering into an extraordinary celebration of life, love, and the sweet anticipation of new beginnings. At the heart of this innovative idea is a dogwood-themed tablescape, where the charm lies not only in the choice of flowers, but also in the meticulous coordination of every element. The dogwood blossom, with its delicate petals and symbolic significance, becomes the muse for an entire aesthetic that weaves its way through the celebration. Imagine tables adorned with the grace of dogwood blooms, their ivory petals creating a soft and elegant backdrop. Yet, the enchantment goes beyond mere decoration. It informs every aspect of the baby shower. I hope you like my content. Thank you for watching my video.